The compelling appeal of the small-scale housing movement, particularly epitomized by the tiny house on wheels, finds its most perfect expression when infused with the principles of Hygge living. This renowned concept, originating from Denmark and Norway, beautifully encapsulates an attitude of warm contentment and holistic well-being achieved by savoring the often overlooked pleasures of daily existence. It is seamlessly suited to the inherently compact and independently structured design of a relocatable microhome. More than merely a physical structure, choosing such a domicile represents a deliberate commitment to a life of minimalism and heightened intentionality, where every single unit of area is expertly utilized for both supreme comfort and practicality, consistently elevating a profound sense of sanctuary and warmth as the highest priority. Upon crossing the threshold, visitors are instantly embraced by an aura of deep tranquility, a sensation often cultivated through the strategic use of organic materials, carefully calibrated soft illumination, and profoundly unique touches that transform the modest dimensions into an overwhelmingly inviting haven. Exploring a tiny dwelling focused on the simple joys of Hygge living consistently highlights brilliant architectural ingenuity specifically intended to optimize the limited space while simultaneously intensifying the emotional atmosphere. Wood serves as a foundational and pervasive material, ranging from rustic reclaimed timber accents to finely handcrafted cabinetry, imbuing the space with an earthy, ingrained warmth that is absolutely central to the spirit of Hygge. Expansive and often oversized windows are strategically positioned to generously drench the interior with natural illumination, effectively dissolving the division between the comforting indoor environment and the exterior landscape an essential characteristic of this particular residential approach. Furthermore, the inclusion of key lifestyle features, such as a highly efficient yet compact kitchen equipped with charming retro-style appliances or a surprisingly generous full-size clawfoot bathtub, conclusively demonstrates that downsizing one's living quarters in no way requires a compromise on essential comfort or the overall quality of life. The overriding principle remains a resolute dedication to superior quality over sheer volume, ensuring that carefully selected personal belongings and an absence of excess contribute to an overarching atmosphere of serenity and repose. Moving beyond simple visual appeal, the very heart of the Hygge experience within a tiny house lies in the unburdened lifestyle it actively promotes. Many tiny home residents eloquently describe the powerful sense of liberation stemming from significantly reducing their material possessions, coupled with the considerable financial autonomy afforded by a drastically lower cost of living. This newly acquired freedom creates the opportunity to recenter attention on basic, yet profound daily pleasures, perhaps enjoying a perfectly brewed hot drink beside a crackling small wood-burning stove, losing oneself in a book nestled in a warm corner, or simply spending quiet moments on a compact exterior deck soaking in the picturesque surroundings.